Welcome back to another video of TECHFOSHA. So in this video we are going to discuss about an alternative for MATLAB software. So MATLAB software is used for performing the simulation of various codes on the modulation like frequency modulation or amplitude modulation or different tasks related to electronics or mechanical background. Installation file for MATLAB software is up to 8 GB or around 10 GB, and also it requires license file. So the best alternative for MATLAB software, which is free of cost and which can be run on mobile or PC without installing the software, Octave, by using the cloud IDE, which is Octave Online. So let's start from the whole new. Just type Octave Online on Google and open the first link. So this is the complete. First you need to sign in using Google. So let's sign in using Google. After sign in, this is the display. So next you need to create a new file. So let's create new file. Click here, give file a proper name. Let's say modulation. Click OK. So this is a file. So you have to write down the code here and output will be displayed on the screen in this window. So the first by default code is for hello world. So display hello world. Let's run this code. So click here, run. So you can see hello world. So the next step, or we want to run the code for amplitude modulation. So this is the code for amplitude modulation. The code is in the blog of TECHFOSHA. So visit our blog www.techfosha.blogspot.com. The link is given in the description. Just copy it. We don't need this. Okay, so paste your code. After that, you can see in this code here FM FCM, where FM stands for modulating signal frequency, FC is the carrier signal frequency, M is for modulation index, and here are some equations, and finally the plot or the output. So let's run this program. So here it will ask enter the modulation signal. You have to give input. So let's say our modulating signal is of frequency 1000 hertz, that is 1 kilohertz. Enter. The next step is enter the carrier signal. The frequency of my carrier signal is 1 megahertz. So enter 1 mega. Okay, the next step is enter the modulation index. First, let's say my modulation index is 1. So okay, so this is the complete display. So you can see this is a modulating signal, carrier signal and modulated signal. Okay, let's try for another modulation index. So enter modulating signal 1 kilohertz, then carrier signal 1 megahertz, and modulation index will be 0.5. So you can see here the effect. Okay, let's check for modulation index greater than 1. .5, enter. So this is the effect. So this is the best alternative for MATLAB software, and you can run this method or you can run this code on your mobile also. So just enter Google Chrome and type Octave Online, and this procedure is same for mobile also. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. TECHFOSHA.